Say good morning, Maisie. Oh, is she crying a bit? What do you do when she cries? Give her a kiss, maybe. Say I love you, Maisie. You want Mommy to hold her?
Yeah.
Okay.
Maisie, see. Maisie, go see.
You like
Maisie?
Francie? Is Maisie your little brother?
No.
No. What is she?
Big sister.
You're the big sister? And is Maisie the little sister?
Yeah.
Oh, do you love Maisie?
Big sister.
What does Maisie do?
No, big sister.
Oh, you're the big sister?
No, Maisie, big sister.
Maisie's the little sister.
She's big sister.
Francie's big sister.
Bigger. Maisie's bigger.
You're bigger than Maisie? Does Maisie cry sometimes a little?
Eat boobs.
What does Maisie eat?
Boobs.
She does?
Yeah.
What do you say about that?
Go.
How come you think that's gross?
Too tacky.
Oh, Maisie.